Hi, it's here, my new AgeWell set from Arbonne. I've been waiting very patiently all week for UPS to bring me my box, and here's this. This was on my doorstep a little while ago, so I wanted to share opening the box and going through each step-by-step of each product and show you what everything's about. I know you've seen my posts, but I think it'll be nice to see everything in person. So I'm gonna reach in here and see what first. So the first thing everybody's gonna get when they order this set is this really cute white carrying case. You can put all your products in it. If it's just a really nice, zips all the way around. You could probably use it for a lot of different products. Just a really nice little bag. It's really cute. And then here is the big deal. This beautiful box has everything in it. Look at those cute purple bubbles. And you can see there's going to be something really special in here. Let me move this big box out of the way. And it says Mind, Body, Skin. And I'm going to open it up. And look at that. Look how nicely everything's packaged and everything. So you've got like this nice color brochure, and it goes through each item, has nice pictures, tells you what order to do everything in, which I'm going to show you how everything works. And one of the things that's really nice and new about this whole product line is that Arbonne is very conscientious about the environment, and they recycle everything. They're a certified B Corporation, which is phenomenal because they have such a recycling program with their packaging, and they try to limit their waste and their use of plastics. So everything in here except for the cleanser is in a glass jar or bottle. So the cleanser they put in a plastic bottle because a lot of people like to take their cleanser in the shower, and this way you don't have to worry about it breaking, obviously. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each product. So the first thing, it's kind of stuck in here. And this whole packaging, all this box and everything, you could probably reuse this box for something if you wanted to, or definitely put it in your recycling bin. You can also go on Arbonne's website, and they have information about if you cannot recycle, you can send it back to them and they will recycle it. So, which is really amazing. These have little sticky dots on them. So this is the Silky Cleanser, and this has vegan surfactants, and it's a cream to foam cleanser. It has provitamin B5. This is fabulous. From what I've heard from some of the consultants who've had a sneak preview, it takes off all your makeup. I know me, I am constantly fighting to get all my eye makeup off, so I'm really looking forward to using this and not having to worry about having raccoon eyes later. And next, in order of how you would use the products, is the Refreshing Toning Mist, and this has vitamin B3 in it. And it's alcohol free, it's non-drying. So you would, after you cleanse your face, you're gonna spray this and mist it, and the toner is just really refreshing. It helps, it just helps set the tone for the rest of the product so that everything can absorb into your skin better. And then third, we have the serum. This is the Collagen Moisturizing Serum with 2% bakuchiol. So you're probably all wondering, like, bakuchiol, what is that? I've never heard of it. It is a plant-based derivative. It's a plant-based retinol. So you have all the benefits of what retinols do for your skin. helping reduce fine lines and wrinkles, but you do not have the skin sensitivity and the dryness that traditional chemical retinol has. So this is really, really, and this also has stabilized vitamin C in it. And according to the formulators who created this line, in the past you could never combine a vitamin C with a retinol, and now because they are plant-based, so this is going to be like super, super potent and effective on your skin. And then you cannot forget your eyes. You know, our eyes, it's the most delicate part of your face. The skin around your eyes, the most delicate. We all start showing signs of aging at any age, especially around the eyes. And this one has caffeine and bakuchiol. So one of my problem areas is under my eyes, a little puffiness, and the caffeine is going to help with the puffiness. And of course, I would love to reduce all these fine lines, little crow's feet. You know, I love the sun, and you know, we did that damage way, way back in my 20s and teens. So now I'm trying to play catch up. So it's never too late to start. And it's never too early to start taking care of your skin. Even if you're in your 20s and 30s, it's never hurts to start. And then we have your moisturizer. So there's a day and a night, and so that one's the night one. Here's the day one. So the sets come two ways. You can order your set with your day cream with SPF in it, or you can order it without SPF. Because I live in Florida, I chose to get the moisture restoring cream with a sunscreen in it. And this one does not have the bakuchiol in it, but it does have SPF. It has a zinc oxide formulation. And it's a really nice day cream. And last but not least, at night, you want to really, that's the, you know, you're gonna be repairing everything overnight. So this is the Intense Repairing Night Cream. This has 2% bakuchiol. It also has stabilized vitamin C in it. So this is really what's going to overnight, you know, keep all that moisture in, so that when you wake up, you are going to have a, you know, nice puffy, not puffy, but, you know, nice clean skin. Now the only other product that is not in here is, and I don't have it, I did not place that order yet, is the extra, is the firming neck cream. And so that would be for your jawline and your neck and your décolleté, and that comes with, it's a 0.5% bakuchiol, and it also has the plant stem cell extract. So that's the whole package. I am going to start using it, and maybe in about a week or so I will check back in with you and let you know how everything's going. I also wanted to mention that when you order this whole kit, which for a preferred client is a phenomenal deal, you're getting all 6 of these products for $225, which is just amazing. It's like 40% off the list price if you were going to order them individually. But the other great thing is you're going to also be able to choose a full-size product from a list of about 10 great Arbonne products. The Skin Elixir, if you don't use the collagen building Skin Elixir, that's included. Trying to think, there's I can't think of off the top of my head, Fizz Sticks. You can get a box of Fizz Sticks. There are, I think the Digestion Plus is maybe on that list. I'm sorry, I don't have the list in front of me, but you can check online, or you can message me, ask me any questions, and you get free shipping too. So I'm glad you stopped in to watch my live, and I look forward to hearing your comments and questions, and please let me know. I'm happy to help you place your order, and there it is. I'm ready to go. So I know you are too, so I'll see you soon. I'll check back with you next week, and always keep checking on our Facebook page because I'm always trying to post fun things. And I know I have a little pumpkin recipe since the beginning of fall is is Monday. So I'm thinking about maybe doing some, yummy fall treat with some pumpkin. So stay tuned, and I will see you all soon. Bye.